Hello my dear students, this is your accounts class. In previous video lecture, we have discussed about the journal entries at the time of death. Fine. So, in this video today, we will do some numerical related to this topic that are in your book, DK Goel. Do you have that book, all of you? So, we will start question number 61. That ABC are partner. Example number 61 in your book, that is given to ABC are partner in a firm who close their books on 31st March every year. Ratio is not given to you. If ratio is not given, then profit sharing ratio will be same, 1:1:1. Okay. A died on 30th June. A की डेथ हो गई है on 30th June 2018. According to the agreement, the share of profit of deceased partner up to date of death is calculated on the basis of average profit of last 5 years. So, profit of A we will calculate up to 30th June on the basis of average profit of last 5 years. And last 5 years profits that are given to you, that are 14,000 plus 18,000 plus 16,000. Loss is given. If loss is there, that I have told you, then you will minus 10,000 plus 16,000 divided by 5. Then you can calculate the average profit by this. It will come 10,800. Total of this we will minus 10,000. Then it will come 54,000 divided by 5. It will come 10,800. Average profit will come. Average profit means profit of 1 year. So profit up to 30th June. Profit of last 5 years. Average profit on the basis of last 5 years. This is the profit of 12 months. And we have to find out the profit of April, May, June. 3 months. Multiply by 3. It will come 2,700. But this is the profit of all the partner A, B, C. If ratio is not given, then it is 1:1:1. Then A died, then A's share up to date of death is 1/3. So it will come 900 A's profit up to the date of death. 2 part are there. In A part, there is no change in the profit sharing ratio in the remaining partner. उनके profit sharing ratio B और C की 1:1 है. So in the A part, which entry we will pass? We will give the profit by profit and loss suspense account debit to A's capital account. How much? 900. But in B part, what is given to you? That if the profit sharing ratio will be changed in the remaining partner, that new ratio is 3:2. I have told you in previous lecture that if ratio will be changed, then we will find out the gaining ratio. Then we will give profit to the A in the gaining ratio by the remaining partner. We will not open the profit and loss suspense account. Profit and loss account, suspense account will be open only in that case when profit sharing ratio no change in the remaining partner. So find out the gaining ratio between between B and C, old share minus new share. Okay, old share 1/3, C also 1/3, new share 3/5, here 2/5, 15 LCM in both cases, 5 minus 9 minus 4/15, 5 minus 6 minus 1/15. In both cases minus are there, so both are gaining. In which ratio? 4:1 ratio is the gaining ratio. And entry we will pass, A को तो देना ही देना है, but we will not open the profit and loss suspense account. Who will give? Gaining partner will give in the gaining ratio. Then entry will be passed, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to A's capital account. Have you remember that rule? If we have to take any money from partner, then debit that partner capital account. If we have give money to any partner, then credit that partner capital account. How much money we have to give to the A? That is 900. उतनी देनी है, देनी तो उतनी है हमने 900, ज़्यादा नहीं देंगे, but that we will give in the ratio 4:1 by the B and C's capital account. Okay, then divide the 900 in 4:1 ratio. It will come 720 and 180. Divided by 5 करेंगे इसको तो 180 आएगा, and 180 multiply by 4, 720. Okay. For goodwill also, if in this question goodwill was also given to you, that give the share of goodwill to A. Goodwill of the firm is 30,000. Then A's goodwill 1/3 of this 10,000. Then this 10,000 we will give by this entry. Same entry we will pass both the profit as well as for the goodwill. B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to A's capital account, but separate entry. दोनों की आपने अलग अलग entry pass करनी है. This for the profit share and that for the goodwill share. Same entry we will pass. Then only amount will change. Then which entry will be passed for the goodwill? B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to A's capital account. How much amount we have to give to A for goodwill? 10,000 in the ratio 4:1. 5 से divide करेंगे, it will come 2,000 and multiply by 4, 8,000. Fine. Yes students, one topic also I want to share with you, that how you will calculate the interest on drawing up to date of death. If any partner, A, B, C are partner, profit sharing ratio is 2:2:1 and C die on 31st July of any year, say 2019, April, May, June, July, after 4 months. Okay, and if first case total drawing of 4 months is given to you, that drawing of 4 months is 20,000 and rate of interest on drawing is, rate is given to you 5% per annum. Then how you will calculate the interest on drawing? In first chapter you have done that if drawing of full year is given during the year, then you will calculate the profit interest on drawing of 6 months. Now this is drawing of 4 months is given, then you will calculate the 2 months interest on drawing. Okay, then 20,000 multiply by 5 by 100, then 2 by 12. Okay, how much it will come? Find out this. It will cut whatever it will come in point. That 1000 divided by 6, 40, 6, 36, approximate 167 will come. But if drawing is given monthly drawing is given to you, at the rate of 1000, you can take 7000 per month. Then total drawing up to date of that 7000 multiplied by 4, it will come 28,000. And interest on drawing, it always calculate on the total drawing multiply by rate, and if it is at the beginning of first day of every month, if drawing is first day of every month, then we will add 1 month. We will calculate the profit interest of 5 months, 5 by 12. If it is at the end of every month, then we will deduct 1 month, 3 by 12. If it's nothing is given, that it's first day or last day of every month, then we will take 4 by 12. Okay, fine. So this is the method that how you will calculate the interest on drawing at the time of death, if it is given monthly or if it is given that aggregate in drawing is given of 4 months. Nothing is given that it's monthly or whenever they need withdraw the money. Fine. Yes students, one thing that if there is drawing at the first day of every month, then you will add 1 month in 4, total months of drawing 4, 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Average we will take of this first drawing and last drawing. First drawing interest 4 months, last drawing of 1 month. Then for average of these both drawing we will take 5 by 2 into 12. Not only 12, 5 by 2 into 12. Sorry. If it's drawing at the last day of every month, then we will on first drawing interest will be of 3 months, last drawing interest 0 divided by 2, then it will come 3 by 2. Then you can note, this is only for your understanding. You can do one thing, if first day of every month, then add 1, for average write 2, and for monthly, because rate is annually but we are calculating monthly, then we will write 12. If at the last day of every month, then deduct 1, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2 into 12. Okay, if nothing is given, then not add, not deduct, 4 by 2 into 12 you will write. Okay, like this you have to do in chapter first also, that if first day, then add plus 1 divided by 2. Don't forget that divided by 2. And 12 we are writing for what purpose? Because rate is per annum. And we are finding out the profit of months. So that's why we will write the 12. For example, if in question the rate is given, nothing is given, only 5% is written. It means then it's understood that rate already converted in monthly, then no need to write 12 here. Only you will write 5 by 2. So all we will discuss this thing when we will revise the chapter first again after completing the syllabus. Then all these things I will tell you. Okay. So now this chapter, 5th chapter is completed, retirement and death of a partner. So you will solve all the questions of this chapter, retirement up to before the adjustment of capital. Adjustment of capital से पहले वाले करने हैं. And for the death you have to complete only calculation of profit and entry of goodwill and profit. No need to do the question in which you have to make the deceased partner capital account or executor account. These topics have been deleted from your syllabus of this session. Okay. So revise this chapter, do all the practical questions. If any doubt will come, then take your all the doubts in online class, or you can call me at any time. Okay, fine. Thank you. Have a nice day.